Welcome to MSTAT. Today we are going to see the arithmetic mean problems. Example: find the arithmetic mean of the following set of observations. (25, 32, 28, 34, 24, 31, 36, 27, 29, 30. From this problem, the number of observations given. But how many number of observations? 10 observations. So n is equal to 10. So how to solve this problem? Arithmetic mean, here only observation given, so we can write summation of x by n. That is equal to 25 plus 32 plus 28 plus 34 plus 24 plus 31 plus 36 plus 27 plus 29 plus 30, the whole divided by number of terms. Number of terms, n is equal to 10. So add these observations, the total value is 296 by 10. We can write 29.6. So only observations given, we can use direct formula summation of x by n. Example 2, calculate the arithmetic mean for the following data. Data age in years, number of workers. Eight, 10, 12, 15 and 18. 5, 7, 12, 6, 10. But the last problem, observation only given. This problem, observation and the corresponding frequency given. So how to solve this problem? Let age in year is x, 8, 10, 12, 15, 18. Corresponding frequencies, that is number of workers, 5, 7, 12, 6, 10. So just multiply fx is 40, 70, 144, 90, this is 180. So already we know that if frequency given means the formula x bar is equal to summation of x by summation of f. So we need to find these two values. This value is 40, this value is 524. So x bar is equal to 524 by 40. This value is 13.1 years. So arithmetic mean of the given observations is 13.1 here. Find arithmetic mean for the following frequency distribution. First problem, only observation given. The second problem, observation plus corresponding frequency given. The third problem, limits given, class limits and frequency. Class limits 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 17 to 79, 80 to 89. The corresponding frequency 5, 9, 14, 20, 25, 15, 8 and 4. So in this type of class interval data, already we know that the formula x bar is equal to capital A plus summation of f into d by capital N into C. From the class limits, we can write the midpoint of x. So 10, 19. The midpoint of 10 to 19, that is 10 plus 19 by 2. So 14.5. Then 24.5, 34.5, 44.5, 54.5, 64.5, 74.5 and 84.5. So corresponding frequencies 5, 9, 14, 20, 25, 15, 8 and 4. Now find D. How to find out D? Already we know that D is equal to xi minus A by C. Xi minus A. How to find out A? Check the mid values. In this problem 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can take this 14.5. Let us assume this one is A. So 44.5. C class interval 10. So first find D, that is 14.5 minus 44.5 that divided by 10, that is minus 3. Similarly minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just find FD. Minus 15, minus 18, minus 14, 0, 25, 30, 24, 16. So we need to find out this sum. This value is equal to 48. This value equal to 0, 100. So x bar is equal to A plus sum of FD by capital N into C. That is equal to 44.5 plus FD is 48 by 100 into 10. that is equal to 44.5 plus 4.8, that is 49.3. So if class interval given means first we can find the mid value of x, then find d and substitute the values in that formula, we can get the solution. The arithmetic mean calculated from the following frequency distribution is known to be 67.5 inches. Find the missing frequency. Find the missing frequency. The data given: height in inches, height in inches, frequency 60 to 62, 63 to 65, 66 to 68, 69 to 71, 72 to 74. Frequency 15, 54, you have to find out the missing value, 81 and 24. If problem given, the interval, class interval 60 to 62, 63 to 65, 66 to 68, 69 to 71, 72 to 74. But in this problem 66 to 68 is missing. So we have to find out the missing frequency. So just find mid x, because the class interval 60 to 62, 61, then 64, 67, 70, 73. Frequency 15, 54. So this frequency we don't know, so let us assume x, 81 and 24. So D how to find out D? X minus A, x minus A minus A divided by the class interval C. But class interval is 60, 61, 62. So let us assume 67 is A minus 67 divided by the class interval 3. So this case 61 minus 67 minus 6 by 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. So FD is minus 30 minus 54 0 81 and 48. So this value is 45, but this value 174 plus x, because one interval of frequency we don't know. So x bar is equal to A plus summation of FD by capital N into C. X bar given 67.5 A, we know that 67 plus FT 45 by N. N is 174 plus X into 3. So 67.5 minus 67, that is 0.5, that is equal to 45 into 3, 135 by 174 plus X, which implies 174 plus X, just cross multiply, 0.5 equal to 135. So 87 0.5 into 174, that is 87 plus 0.5x equal to 135. So 0.5 into x equal to 135 minus 87. So 0.5, that x equal to 135 minus 87 the whole divided by 0.5. So this value is 135 and 87, that is equal to, we can write 48 divided by 0.5. So this case 96. So the frequency of the class 66 to 68 is 96. So the missing value 66 to 68 is 96. If another example of combined mean, there are two branches of an establishment employing 180 persons respectively. If the arithmetic mean of the monthly salary paid by two branches are rupees 275 and 225. Find the arithmetic mean of the salary of the employee of establishment as a whole. But here two observations and arithmetic mean of the monthly salary paid by branch is given. Here N1 is equal to 100 and let us assume N2 equal to 80. X1 bar given 275, X2 bar given 225. But the average salary of all the employees, the combined mean, let X be the average X bar is equal to N1 X bar plus N2 X2 bar the whole divided by N1 plus N2. That is equal to N1 100 into 275 plus 80 into 225 the whole divided by 100 plus 80. That is equal to 27500 plus this one 18000 by 180. That is equal to 252.8 rupees. So arithmetic mean of the combined salary is 252.78. Thank you all.